Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I reveal the advanced email marketing tactics in order to improve your open rates and your email conversions. So stay with me till end of this short video. First of all, try to download this free book in the description below. This book will teach you anything related to email marketing. If you want to if you want to start a profitable email marketing business, this book will help you how to do that. And additionally, this book will help you how to fix your email deliverability like low open rate and like a low click-through rate. So make sure to get this free book right now. Let's start our topic. Here are two important steps you can do in order to improve and make more sales with your email marketing business. The first step is increasing your open rates. What's open rate? Open rate shows how many subscribers or how many email subscribers opened your email. So if your open rate is low or below 20%, or 10%, it shows that your subscribers are not opened your email because your subject maybe your subject line is poor, or maybe your email uh, landed in the spam or promotion box. So here are 5 tips you can do in order to increase your open rates immediately. Step number 1: short subject line. Try to write a short subject line, minimum 8 words or less, because if your subject line is too long, your subscribers will not see your subject line in their mobile inbox fully. So try to optimize your subject line uh, for mobile as well. Number two, be specific. Mention specific numbers, specific statistics, specific facts in your email subject line. Be specific. For example, 3 ways to lose weight. 3 ways, uh, a number. Uh, for example, for facts, try to say like this: now you can lose your belly fat permanently. Losing belly fat is specific for the reader. So always be specific. Tip number three: mention the benefits of your product or services. For example, now you can lose 1 pound a day. Losing 1 pound a day is the main benefits of your product. Tip number four: focus on them. Instead of using the word I and we, try to use you. You can lose weight, you can do this, you can do that. Just focus on them. Try to focus on yourself. For example, I can lose weight, we can lose weight, like this. Try to focus on them. Tip number five: avoid spam trigger words. There are specific words that trigger the spam filter and will land your email in the spam box or the promo box. Avoiding these words will help you. What are these words? For example, free in all caps, 100%, guaranteed. Uh, these are all spam trigger words. You can find a collection of spam trigger words by searching in Google. Step number two: in order to make more sales with your email business and improve your email conversions, you have to increase your click through rate, or CTR. What is CTR? CTR shows how many of your subscribers clicked the link in the email. So if your CTR is low, your subscribers will not see your offer and you lose money. So again, here are 5 proven tips you can do in order to improve your CTR, which again uh, improve your email conversions and convert your email into sales. Tip number one, personalization. Address the name of the recipient in the email body, especially in the greetings parts. For example, hey Jack, hey Smith. This is it. And for example, and continue with your email. So personalization will help and engage your readers in the email. Tip number two, be conversational in the email. Like an email, like you talk with your friend. So this will help with relationship with your subscribers, your email list, and it will help with conversions as well. Avoid using writing academically. So be conversational, like conversationally, like you speak with your friend, your best friend. Number Tip number three, mention the benefits of your offer or your product in the email. 2, 3 benefits is enough. So the benefit of your offer will help how your offer or your product will help your subscribers, how uh, your product change your subscribers life in the future. So try to mention the benefits of your product. Tip number three, include success stories. Use success stories in your email. This will help with relationship credibility and authority of your email. If someone have used your email and achieved success with your product or services, try to be real and mention that success stories in your email. This will create relatability and will engage your subscribers to click through. Tip number five, try to focus on the visual flow or the structure of your email. Don't write big paragraphs, big sentences, uh, and long paragraphs. Try to write short sentences first, then write two sentences, then a small paragraph. If you Let's show you in the example here. Here is an example email and it shows the structure or the visual flow of the email. As you see here, the email started with small sentences, then a little bigger sentences, then a small paragraph. So uh, uh, if you write a long paragraphs in the first part of your email, it will look tiresome and it will not engage your subscribers to read your email till end. Try to focus on the visual flow of your email, as I have written here. uh, as you see the first sentences, hey John, do you know about new advanced affiliate marketing system? Question mark. This is the first sentences and this is very small. Then go to the second sentences. Now you can start a profitable online business and earn commissions with a click of a button. It's a it's a little bit bigger sentences. Then we come to the first paragraph. A friend of mine, Jack Smith, revealed a new software that processes your affiliate marketing by one click. This system really astonished me and wanted to share it with you. So it's again a small paragraph and then repeat again the same criteria. Using this software is so easy. Then again it's short sentences. Then a little bit bigger sentences. With a sample click, this system allows you to build your eye converting landing page. Moreover, this is a little bit bigger paragraph. Moreover, you can drive laser targeted traffic to your offer automatically so you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on low quality traffic. Then include your one hyperlink for a small email. Go here to discover this secret system. Warm regards, David. So I hope you understand the visual flow of the email. It's very, very important. And according to my mentor and research, if the visual flow or the structure of your email is good, it will convert up to 60%. So pay attention to this uh, idea and improve your email visual flow with practice. I hope you understand it. And if you have any question, you can mention your question in the comment below, and I will answer that immediately for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. As I told you, try to get this free book in the description below. It's completely free and it will help you anything related to email, and it will improve your open rate, your click through rate, so you can make more money if you follow the strategies in this free book. Thanks for watching again.